Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They are used to join words, group of words, phrases and sentences. So basically conjunctions का use हम words को या group of words को या phrases को या sentence को आपस में join करने के लिए करते हैं. Okay. For example, Ridhima brought a dress and a pair of shoes. Would you like to carry an umbrella or would you carry a raincoat? Dhruv cannot go out because the gate is locked. Here and or because are the conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions. First one is coordinating conjunction, second is correlative conjunction and the third is subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet and so. Correlative conjunctions are as, both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, such that, as, so as and whether or. So these are the correlative conjunctions. And the third one is subordinating conjunctions. These are after, although, because, before, how, if, once, since, then, that, though, till, until, when, where and whether. So first one is coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction join together sentence or clauses that are equally important. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन का यूज़ हम उन सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए करते हैं जो इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन गो देयर बाय बस और टेक द फ्लाइट. हियर और इज द कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन. मेघा इज नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन फ्राइडे नॉर विल she be in town during the weekend. Here nor is also a coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions include and, but, or, nor, neither, for, yet, still, so and so on. They are used to add one statement or fact to another. एक statement और एक दो अलग अलग स्टेटमेंट्स और फैक्ट्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस का यूज़ करते हैं विच आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो फर्स्ट इज एंड. द बस अराइव्ड एंड द स्टूडेंट गॉट इनटू इट. हियर द बस अराइव्ड, the student got into it are two sentences which is joined by and. It was cloudy and it started to rain. Here it was cloudy, it started to rain are two different sentences which are equally important which is joined by and. Now we use both and. He is both fit and active. He is fit, he is active. The sentence can be written as he is both fit and active. Nidhi gave me bangles, Nidhi gave me hair clips. These two sentences can be joined by both and, as Nidhi gave me both the bangles and hair clips. Now next is no less than. He is no less than his sister is bright. His sister is bright, he is equally bright. So these two sentences are joined by no less than, by he is no less than his sister is bright. She is no less attached to her grandmother than to her aunt. She is attached to her aunt, she is equally attached to her grandmother. Now we are going to use as well as. Ramesh as well as Sohan is hardworking. Here the sentences are Ramesh is hardworking, Sohan is hardworking. Now next sentence is Sarita as well as Geeta has left for school. And the different sentences are Sarita has left for school, Geeta has left for school, which is joined by as well as, such as Sarita as well as Geeta has left for school. Next is not only. This is also a coordinating conjunction of addition. But also he not only brought toys but also balloons. He brought toys, he brought balloons. So we use not only but also. He not only brought toys but also balloons. The car had a flat tire the car ran out of fuel. So the car not only had a flat tire but also ran out of fuel. The power cut lasted 2 hours, but we could study in candlelight. The power cut lasted 2 hours, and the other sentence is we could study in candle, which is joined by but. Okay, the power cut lasted 2 hours, but we could study in candlelight. We can also use but in another sentence as we reached the ground on time, but the match started late. Another coordinating conjunction is still or yet. Ria has all kind of dolls available in the market. Still or yet she wants more. We can use both still and yet for the sentence. Ria has all kind of dolls available in the market, yet she wants more. Or Ria has all kind of dolls available in the market, still she wants more. Next coordinating conjunction is nevertheless. We knew our team would lose, nevertheless we continued to cheer the team member. Another example, other example of whereas is Mona preferred coffee whereas her sister preferred tea. Next is only. Only is also a coordinating conjunction. We can use only in a sentence as I am fine, only a little tense. They express a choice between two options. Or either or वाले coordinating conjunctions जो होते हैं, they are used to express a choice between two options. For example, you must tell the truth or you will be in a great trouble. Or we can use either or as mother will either prepare noodle or pasta. Next is neither nor. He is neither alert nor careful. Otherwise else we can use get up, otherwise you will be late for college. Or run fast else you will not catch the bus. One statement or fact derived as conclusion on the basis of another fact. We can use so and for coordinating conjunction for the statements or fact derived as conclusion on the basis of another fact. एक स्टेटमेंट, एक तो स्टेटमेंट होगा एंड सेकेंड वाला क्या होगा, उसका कॉन्क्लूजन होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल therefore he did not put in an application. So and therefore का use we are going to. He did not put in an application, so he was not called for the interview. Okay, and for we can use as let me take the medicine for I have fever. Let her leave now for she has to travel a long distance. This way we can use so and for. Next is correlative conjunctions. Conjunction used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. ऐसे conjunctions जिन्हें हम pair में use करते हैं, these are known as correlative conjunction. For example, so that, either or, no sooner than, these are the correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are used for joining either words or sentence. They appear as pair and used to link equivalent. इक्विवेलेंट सेंटेंस होंगे, अलग अलग सेंटेंस होंगे, बट पैर में जब सेंटेंस वर्क करते हैं, आई मीन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग जो कंजक्शंस होते हैं जब वो पैर में वर्क करते हैं, जैसे आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट सो दैट और आइदर और, ये दोनों कंजक्शंस पैर में वर्क करते हैं. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में आप आइदर का यूज़ करोगे एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नॉर का यूज़ करोगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आइदर यू कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट बाय टुमारो और यू लीव द जॉब. सो दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ कोरिलेटिंग कंजक्शन. ओके, next is so that. The tsunami was so powerful that it destroyed the entire city. No sooner than we use as no sooner did the bell ring, the teacher came to the class. No sooner did I open my umbrella than it started raining. Next is although yet. Although she is very famous, yet she is humble. Although she is not well off, yet she helps the needy. Other correlative conjunctions are as, both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, such that, such as, so that, whether or, and so as. Here are some examples of correlative conjunction. Both and we can use as Divya is both a dancer and a singer. Not only but also we can use as he was given not only a trophy but also a cash prize. Either or we can use as either listen to my lecture or leave the class. Neither nor we can use as neither John nor Jane attend the party. such that we can use as such was the condition of the house that rainwater was dripping from the roof. Such as we can use as it is not such a book as you would like to read, or it is not such a holiday spot as you had imagined. So as we can use as the book is not so interesting as you think it is, and as we can use as he is as busy as a bee. Next is scarcely or hardly. We can use as hardly also with when. Scarcely had I paid the money when a pickpocket snatched my purse. Or other sentences, he had hardly got up from bed when the guest arrived. Next is subordinating conjunction. So we have studied the coordinating conjunction, the correlative conjunction, and the third part is subordinating conjunction. Okay, a conjunction used to connect group of words or two statements, one of which is depend on other, is called a subordinating conjunction. जब एक sentence दूसरे पे depend रहता है, there we use subordinating conjunction. For example, after she learned to drive, Samiti felt more independent. Nikita is happy because her sister is here. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वाला सेंटेंस डिपेंड कर रहा है सेकंड वाले पे. सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन इंक्लूड आफ्टर, ऑल्दो, बिकॉज, बिफोर, हाउ, इफ, वंस, सिंस, देन, दैट, दो, टिल, until, when, where and whether. They are divided into different classes. First is subordinating conjunction may be classified according to their meaning as a noun clause. Certain subordinate conjunction are used to introduce a particular type of subordinate clause such as that and if whether. That is used as he said that he was going on an adventurous trip. Do you know that we have to pay the fees by tomorrow? I am sure that he will come here. If whether we can use as he asked me if I had posted the letter. He wanted to know whether I like the gift. Subordinating conjunctions introducing adverb clause as manner, place or time. Okay, for manner we can use as if, as though and according to. For example, Kamal looks as if she is very upset. Komal looks as if she is very upset, and the another sentence is they behaved as they have been talked. For place, we can use conjunction with where and wherever. The dog followed the master wherever he went. They found the car where they had parked it. Next, for time. For time, we use conjunctions such as when, after, since, till, until, while, as soon as, and up to. For example, Supriya will go to Payal's house after she comes back from the vegetable market. Ankush has been sad since his favorite team lost the match. The chief guest entered before the announcement was made. I felt happy when I won an award. You can come and meet me whenever you are free. She waited for me till I picked her up. Close the windows as soon as it becomes windy. He read the newspaper while she prepared breakfast. I saw the notice as I entered the room. So here we have used when, after, since, till, until, while, as soon as and up to. As can be used to indicate when or while. While और when की जगह पे भी हम as का use कर सकते हैं. For example, I met her as she was boarding the train. So here as is used on the place of when. This means that she was boarding the train when I meet her. While indicates a duration of time. For a particular duration of time we use while. As a conjunction it means during that time or at the same time. For example, make hay while the sun shines. The subordinating conjunction of cause include as since and because. We can use subordinating conjunction to give reason or for a clause such as, since and because are the subordinating conjunction for reason. For example, everyone likes her because she is jolly. We all decided to relax as we were very tired. The family went to Shimla since the children had summer vacation. So here we have used because, as and since. For result or effect, we can use subordinating conjunction which are so that and such that. For example, her behavior was so amicable that everyone liked her. She looked so beautiful that everyone complimented her. The movie was such a hit that it won many awards. So here, so that and such that we have used to show a result or effect. We can use subordinating conjunction for purpose also. So the subordinating conjunction of purpose include so that and least. For example, she completed her work so that she could leave early. We exercise so that we may stay fit. She is wearing a raincoat lest she should get wet in the rain. So here we have used so that and lest, okay, for as a subordinating conjunction. Next, here are some important points you have to remember while using conjunctions. The difference between so that and so that should be clearly understood. So that is used together and show purpose. For example, they left early so that they could reach the airport on time. Here was the purpose of leaving early. Here was the purpose of leaving early was to reach the airport on time. Okay, यहाँ पे इस particular sentence के अंदर airport पे time पे पहुँचना है. That's why she left early. Okay. Second point is when so is in the principal clause and that introduce a subordinate clause, it suggests result. जब so principal clause में होता है और वो subordinate clause को define कर रहा होता है तो यहाँ पे ये result बता रहा है. She is so tired that she cannot go out now. The result is result of being tired. That's why she cannot go out. Okay. Lest means so that not. Lest is always followed by should and the clause introduced by it does not take a negative. Nowadays it is rarely used. Lest को हम बहुत कम use करते हैं और इसे should के साथ use करते हैं. For example, an asthma patient must avoid a crowded place lest he should feel suffocated. यहाँ पे हमने lest का use किया है should के साथ. Okay, drive cautiously lest you should lose control of the car. Okay. Next is for showing condition, we use unless, if and provided. For example, Rima can do well if she works hard. You cannot enter the movie theater unless you show your ticket. So these are the subordinating conjunction if and unless. Next is concession or contrast. For showing concession or contrast, we use although, yet, though, even if and however. For example, they enjoyed the journey although it was not comfortable. He is lazy though he is bright. Although the journey was difficult, yet they moved on. He will buy the big car even if he has to pay more. Okay, so we have used although, yet, though, even if and however in a sentences. These are showing contrast or concession and these are the subordinating conjunctions. Next, to show comparison, we use as much as and no less than. For example, he is as tall as his father. Here we are showing comparison. Arav is no less naughtier than his brother. She is as much polite as her mother. Now, correct use of conjunctions. While joining sentences with conjunction, we should use the correct conjunction. For example, Disha did not apply for scholarship, therefore she won't get it. Here it is clear that she did not apply for scholarship. उसने scholarship के लिए apply नहीं किया था, that's why उसे वो नहीं मिली. तो यहाँ पे हमने we have used therefore conjunction. Okay. Another example is he got a pair of spectacles so that he could read from the blackboard clearly. Here in this sentence, the purpose of buying a pair of spectacles and shows that he would be able to read from the blackboard clearly. उसने spectacles क्यों खरीदे ताकि वो blackboard से clearly पढ़ सके. Okay, so it is very important that we use the right conjunctions according to the sentence to be joined. बहुत ज़्यादा important है कि आप particular conjunction जो use कर रहे हो, okay, वो sentence के according हो. A wrong conjunction would convey an incorrect meaning or something different from what was meant. Wrong conjunction का जब आप use करते हो तो meaning change हो जाता है sentence का. Okay.